Hello everyone, today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the AI Airversa Purelle Mini Desktop Air Purifier. But before we get started, as always, let's unpack it and see what's inside. Right out of the box, we have the user manual, USB-C cable, and the Purelle Mini Desktop Air Purifier. Inside it you will find the H13 True HEPA filter. The AI Airversa Purelle Mini Desktop Air Purifier is our favorite choice for small spaces and personal use. Its compact size, stylish appearance, and advanced two-stage True HEPA filtration system make it ideal for desks and small rooms. The Purelle Mini is designed to remove 99.97% of airborne contaminants down to 0.3 microns. That's the same level of filtration as a hospital. Plus, the H13 True HEPA filter is certified by the highest standards in the industry. The Purelle Mini's tap control cycles through 3 fan speed options to help you find the right balance of noise level and air quality for your needs. From super quiet, 24 decibel at low speed, to medium, 39 decibel, or high, 48 decibel. I love that this air purifier is so sleek and easy to use. It's got a great design, which means it looks good on my desk. Plus, I'm one of those people who has everything plugged into USB outlets, so having a Type-C outlet makes using this thing super convenient. The filter status indicator tells me exactly when it needs replacing, which makes things even easier. If you're looking for an air purifier that works well but doesn't take up much space or cost too much money, then this one is definitely worth checking out. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you guys in the next one.